prepare for takeoff.
We're going to try to keep this video on the shorter side. Welcome to another full transparency trading session. I am your host, Sebastian. And here, as you can see, we were just being stupid in the beginning of the market, man. We were up and down and just throwing trades out there, just seeing what the market was doing when we should have just waited for it to develop. So we ended up losing 13.34 on that, but it's all good. Don't feel bad for me. I had a good day overall. Let's go to the next account. So right over here, off the bat, we're looking at we had a really good trade here and there, and then ended up with $697, and that's because I lost $2,000. It was honestly $3,000. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was $3,000. I lost like $2,000 and some change. It took me down to $697. I got greedy and I got burned, and it happened multiple times today. This next account, 21, is fan-friggin-tastic. We made $6,200, and I've got, to be honest, it was a single trade that did majority of it. That was this candle pushing down right here to the 200 EMA. Massive trade. All the rest of this is just small, 200, 300 bucks, 400 bucks before the trade actually happened. Got in right here, sold a couple, and then I was like, oh snap, it's gonna go down even further. Underneath the 9, bought in a bunch more. Maximum contracts, took that bad boy to the downside. And then we actually got out a little bit before the 200 EMA because I didn't think it was gonna go all the way down there. Okay, up next on 22, we made $10,700. Same exact thing as the last one. We actually got into a trade right here at 12:30, maximum contracts, and let that bad boy ride. And it went all the way up to almost $10,000, which was my take profit area. I was risking $3,000, so if it fell below here, I would have lost $3,000. That thing never came back after triggering my setup. And I didn't even know it was going to run higher, which is why you see me sell out right here. And then I tried to get in on another account on this trade right here. Okay, this next one, another good one, similar situation. We bought in at 12.25 here. Well, it triggered at 12.25. I actually wasn't home to watch it happen. So what I did was I staggered my accounts. This one was set to lose $2,000. The other one was set to lose $3,000. So this one got in first, and then that's why it's at 12.25 instead of 12.30. But they both sold at the exact same time. This next one is another one that was at $9,000. I mean, was at $3,000 that I lost $2,000 on when I did that stupid copy trading at the end of the day. There was no excuse for this. Just trying to get, just being greedy and silly. And then last but not least, we didn't trade this account, so nothing to show you here. But let's go ahead and I'll put up some of the trades at the end of this video so you can see when I was actually closing out those trades. Alright, we are rocking and rolling. Got in at the bottom. We're trying to ride it all the way to the red line. That's it. $3,000 so far. Maximum contracts, 3,300. Our goal is to get to this red line here. We probably are going to end up stopping shy here and pulling back. But our goal is just to get to the 200 EMA. That should be $6,000. Of course, we'll take $3,000. We're not crazy, but we should reach the white line at 5,000, and the red line is 6,000. Okay, gang, so we managed to turn around and get 7,000. I wasn't home, so unfortunately, I would have had about $10,000 right here. Man, I'm missing out, guys. So we're gonna take the 7,000 if this thing starts to pull back because it's about 130. We're gonna take the $7,000. All right, guys, we made it up to 8,000. Correction, we're going to take the $8,000. Come on, baby. Give me 10. Give me 10. Give me 10. There's 8-1. Listen, we're not going to get greedy. We're going to take the $8,000, and we are going to close out. Over on this account, we are at $9,000, so we were patient on this side. This one's at $9,000, so we got an $8,000 trade, a $7,000 trade, and a $9,000 trade. We're closing out. All right, so this is a very important time frame. Let's close this out. We're gonna take profit here. $1,300. Come on, break out. Break out 2 p.m. Break out 2 p.m. Break out for me. Do it. Break out. Hell yeah. Break out. Come on. 3,000. 3,000. We won't get greedy, but 3,000. Okay, we'll take the 2. We'll take the 2. We'll take the 2. If all it's giving me is 2, I'll take the 2. Take what it's giving you. Take what it's giving you. No need to get greedy. We'll get it back. Come on, 3,000. Go for it. Go for it. There it is, 3,000. Just like that. Pull back, and we are out.